Hello everyone, in this video we'll see how to change default avatar in WordPress dashboard. Log into your WordPress admin dashboard. Now go to settings, click on discussion and you will get this setting discretion page. Now scroll down to avatars section, click on show avatars and now scroll down to avatar sections. Under default avatar, select one of the provided option. For example, mystery person, blank, gravatar, logo, retro. You can select anyone and click on save changes. As you can see, the image has been updated. That's it. This is how you can update the image in the WordPress dashboard. Thank you.